Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with Hairvivi once again. I'm so excited to show you guys this wig because they have made a couple upgrades to their wigs to make them more realistic and natural looking. So you're going to see that I'm showing you guys some tape and I'm going to be showing you guys the lace. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this True-Scalp tape first, and then we'll get into talking about the lace. So actually, let me just talk about the wig first, since that's what's coming up first. So the hair right off the bat, so silky smooth. It smelled amazing. I don't know what they did to this wig, but it smelled amazing. Look at how the lace just disappears. HD lace, invisible. Look at the parting space that you get. I actually love how the back of the wig now is like I don't know what that is, but I just feel like it wouldn't really damage your hair and break it off. And also they have an adjustable elastic band that you can move, but it also has these grips on it, so it gives you more security, so you can do your glueless installs, like completely glueless. So I'm going to be installing the True-Scalp for you guys. Super easy to install. You literally just peel it off and apply it to your scalp, and well, not to your scalp, the scalp of the wig, wherever your part is at. Just stick it on there, and you're gonna want to cut the excess off, because as you can see, if you bring it up too far, you can really see it, because the hairline is pre-plucked and customized. So you kind of want to go back a little bit further and cut it. But like once you do that and you put this wig on, it looks like a scalp. Like look at the natural shine it has, like a scalp would have. Like that looks amazing. So you see, I put it on. So the True-Scalp does come in 2 different colors. So like I said, you can get that perfect match. And let's talk about the lace. I absolutely fell in love with the lace on this wig because of how it just matched my skin tone. So with their multi-color HD lace, you are able to get the most natural hairline. You don't need foundation to, conceal it. It's super invisible. It's more invisible than their original HD lace. And I do agree, because I believe I've tried the original HD lace before on one of the wigs I've gotten from them, and this one just like literally disappeared into my skin. Whenever I put it on, I was like, did I cut the lace already? But I love how they give you the option to pick a lace color that suits your skin tone better, because not everyone wants to put makeup on their lace. I know I personally don't really like putting makeup on my lace, because I just feel like, I don't know, it can throw the wig off. I feel like sometimes it'll oxidize and darken. So I like how they offer this option. And you got to see in the beginning the 2 colors that they have, and you saw which one matched me perfectly. So I'm just going to be kind of touching up the wig a little bit, the curls, but straight out of the box. Like, I didn't wash this wig, I did not pluck this wig, I did not cut this wig. Like, the wig came out of the box like this. And let me just emphasize once again how good this wig smelled. Like, normally you get wigs and they have like that funky scent. We know the scent. This one did not have it. This wig was just amazing, and I'm just like absolutely in love with this. Like, I feel like Hairvivi has my heart whenever it comes to wigs. Like, honestly, I feel like the upgrades that they made to their wigs was just so necessary. I feel like it helps wigs not be as intimidating as they can be, especially for a beginner. I feel like a beginner can get this wig and they have no problems with it, because you have the True-Scalp, you have the lace that blends perfectly into your skin. The wig is already cut and styled. It's just, I don't know, like, this wig is bomb. Like, I swear on everything, this is my favorite wig I've ever gotten. If this wig was black, don't get me wrong though, this color is beautiful, like beautiful, but if this wig was black, I would not take it off ever. It's beautiful, and I just know this wig is gonna last a long time. Now this wig I am not reselling. I'm gonna keep it, and I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated on how long it lasts. Like, this wig is gonna be in my life for a while. But I'm just going in and touching up the curls just to give it a little bit more definition. I honestly liked how it looked right out of the box. I would have worn it just like that, but for video purposes, I wanted to just show me touching it up a bit and kind of styling it a little bit. But all in all, that's really it for the video. Like, the main purpose of this video was to show you guys the upgrades and of course show you the hair. I love Hairvivi. Like, oh, I love this company so much, so much. So thank you guys so much for watching.